Hey guys, so what I want to show you is what a Google Advanced Search is and how to use it, and then also how to get here. So Google Advanced Search is a tool in Google that allows you to search for information with certain parameters. So it lets you search all of these words. So what I'm searching for is all of the words Treeoctopus. I am also getting rid of the word Zapatopi, which is the website of the Treeoctopus, because I don't want to find information from the website itself. I want to find it from another website. Because right now, I would maybe do this Google Advanced Search to test the accuracy of a website by looking for something else. So this would be a really good way to test the accuracy by doing a cross-reference or like a second website check. I'm also down here narrowing my results by searching for only .edu websites, and I'm filtering this that the last update of whatever that website was, it would be maybe within the last month. I want something recent so I can choose for it to look for when it was last updated. So I'm going to just use those right now. So I'm using the site, the last update. I want to get rid of that word and I'm looking for Treeoctopus. So in doing an advanced search, what we should hopefully find out is a better search with more information about what we're talking about with better sources like .edu, .edu, .edu. So there should be no websites on Zapatopi and they should all be based on edu as the website. So if we were to look at one of these, we would hopefully find information about the Pacific Northwest Treeoctopus and information about whether it's real or not. So the advanced search is a really nice tool to look for information, and the search parameters that it uses are ones that we're already starting to learn, such as cite, omit, and we didn't do a quote that time, but we could have searched for it with quotes if we were to put exact word or phrase. In terms of how we get to Google Advanced Search, what you have to do is you're going to have to open a new tab, which is not Google. So in clicking New Tab, it looks like Google, but we actually have to go to the website www.google.com to get here. And then on the bottom right of Google, when we go to Settings, it says Advanced Search. So that Advanced Search will allow you to get here, and this will be a way for you to read the parameters and narrow your results to find really good websites. So that's Google Advanced Search. It's time for you to practice it.